This video is about how you can hire us for consultation, how you can book a Zoom session on our website. So here on the Hire Us page, you will see a consultation Zoom session. When you click on it, you will see something like this. And here you can set a time. First of all, you need to select a date on which time and date you want a consultation session, the available sessions. And on the 2nd of May, there is no available section. In the third, the first two are booked and the last one is remaining. It's a 45-minute session, and it's as per the your selected time. So from here you can select your own time zone, for example this one, so it will be something like this as per your time zone. Okay, from here you can select 12-hour, 24-hour, and that's it. So this one is the available time slot I will select on, and then I will go to secure your slot, and that's it. So it will be added here, and here you can apply the coupon first 50, because this coupon will be available for the first 50 user for 50% discount. So here you got 50% discount, and only you need to pay $15. And from here you have these multiple options to pay. I will go with the Binance Pay. Click on it, and from here you can scan this QR code by your mobile app, and don't forget to match this name, TradingBotLab. And if you want to copy this one, you can simply copy paste this one to pay in Binance ID. Okay, and the most important is you must pay this exact amount, like $14.33 at TradingBotLab. At our end, we must receive this amount. There is no fees included. For example, in the Binance Pay, you write 14.33, it's a free, and we will receive 14.33, exactly same amount. We will use this figure to verify your transaction. Once you have completed the transaction, I have transferred, click on this button, and then here you will write the transaction ID. For example, I will put just a few random numbers here and then complete submission. Like here I said paid and processing. So order is received. View my orders. From here you will see a list of all the orders you have made, and also you will see the pending status, the approved or rejected or anything. For now, the consultation session is in pending status, and once it's approved, your transaction approved, you will see here approved, and on that time I will be personally available to assist you in the live Zoom session. And again, if I go back here, the consultation Zoom session, you can see here a list of all these options. You can get help from my side. You can book multiple sessions if you think it will take some longer time to handle your problem, so you can book multiple sessions. I hope you understand exactly how you can hire us for the Zoom session for consultation. For now, that's it, and see you soon in the next video. Goodbye.